Good morning, students. Like today, you can see that we are going to continue with chapter 8, that is Microsoft Excel, that is features and components of Excel. So, I'd request all of you to please turn to page number 100. Okay. Now, please follow the first topic, that is features of MS Excel. That is the first feature, as you can see, is edit and format data. Okay. Excel allows us to efficiently enter, edit and format data in a worksheet. Okay. So that means that we can enter a series of numbers, or even we can put a series of numbers inside the data and check for any spelling or related errors are there or not. That means, what is the meaning of editing and formatting data? The meaning of editing and formatting data in Microsoft Excel is a process by which we can put data in a spreadsheet and also format the data in Excel for the particular regard. Okay. So editing and formatting data in Excel means to put the series of data inside the spreadsheet, to put the details and check for any discrepancies in the data, and you can even suggest changes if needed so. So editing and formatting data means to put the data, to check for errors if there are any, and also to format the data accordingly. This is what it means. Now, apart from that, what else is there? Using formulas and functions. Okay, formula and functions are two vital major components of Microsoft Excel, because whatever data you are putting inside Excel, if you do not calculate it, if you do not analyze it, you will not be able to work with the data. Okay, so data को calculate करने के लिए, उसका analysis करने के लिए, उसका मैनिपुलेशन करने के लिए formula and function is very important. Okay, so therefore Excel contains predefined functions and formulas that can do calculations. Okay, now printing worksheets. If you want to get the hard copy of a spreadsheet, you have to click on the print option to get the hard copy of the worksheet, which is called printing a worksheet. Okay, so we have had a look at the two important features. The first feature being editing and formatting data, which is the process of checking that the data is having any errors or not, and at the same time we can suggest corrections if at all needed using formula and functions. Formula and functions are mainly used for manipulating, calculating and analyzing data. Okay, creating charts and objects. If we have to create colorful charts and objects that are meant for analyzing and getting the pictorial representation of the mathematical data, इसका simple explanation ये है कि जो भी data आप Excel के अंदर put कर रहे हो, उसका जो उसका वैल्यू कितना है, उसका कंपैरिजन कितना है, वो हम पिक्चोरियल ग्राफ्स ओके से कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. ओके, we will use colors, different colors, we will use pictures to show the comparison between different data. Now, how can we start MS Excel? MS Excel, to start MS Excel, we need to follow the following steps. पहले आपको start button पे click करना है. Then you have to click on the all programs option. All programs option में click करने के बाद Microsoft Office के अंदर Excel को आपको ढूंढना है. आप लोगों ने ऑलरेडी Microsoft Word का चैप्टर किया है. सो पहला जो 3 स्टेप्स है सेम ही रहेगा, जहाँ पे स्टार्ट प्रोग्राम में जाने के बाद ऑल प्रोग्राम्स में आपको क्लिक करना है, Microsoft Office पे जाना है. But instead of Microsoft Word, in this chapter, which option you are going to prefer? The option will be Microsoft Excel. Okay. So this is the main difference that you will notice. Now turning to page number 101, a very important information you will find is the different parts of the Excel window. That if we see particularly, Excel has so many different elements in its window. Out of those windows, you need to understand each component how they are represented in Excel. Okay, understood? Now, we will first see about the title bar. What is the title bar? Showcases the name of the opened workbook file. So, title bar shows the name of the currently active document. Okay. So, title bar shows the name of the currently active document that is present. File tab. File tab is also presenting the backstage view, which is known as the menu of the Microsoft Excel. Okay. So File tab opens the backstage view, which is the menu of the Microsoft Excel. Quick Access Toolbar is basically a shortcut of different programs, which includes the standard commands like save, undo, and redo. So Quick Access Toolbar is used for quick access of different programs, which include save, undo, and redo. Ribbon displays a group of related commands in different tabs. Each tab offers different commands as its own shortcut. So ribbon is a collection of commands and each of the following designated tabs offers different commands that we can use for further reference. तो रिबन को अगर इजीली हमें समझना है तो आप इतना याद रखिए कि रिबन इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ डिफरेंट कमांड। यहाँ पे आप रिबन देख सकते हो कि होम, इंसर्ट, पेज लेआउट, formulas, these are nothing but ribbons because under these ribbons only we will get a collection of different sub menus or commands. Okay. Now Windows control button, come to the right extreme corner, you will find three buttons, that is minimize, restore, close. These are called the Windows control button. Minimize is used to minimize or rather reduce the screen to the taskbar. Minimize का काम है screen को reduce करके taskbar तक हमें ले आने में मदद करता है। Restore उसी व्यू को enlarge करता है एंड क्लोज अभी सभी को पता है कि क्लोज एक प्रोग्राम को बंद करने में या फिर एप्लीकेशन को क्लोज करने में मदद करता है। ठीक है। नाउ आई हैव गिवन द सेम इंफॉर्मेशन टू यू ऑल प्रैक्टिकली वेर यू कैन सी दीज आर द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल, जहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि द डिफरेंट कंपोनेंट्स out of which file tab is representing the main backstage view. Okay, so file tab is representing the main backstage view from where the menu is represented. All right, and apart from that we have the different ribbon control which gives reference to the different commands that are present. Okay, so basically all these commands will help you to understand the features of Excel very clearly, and I hope you will be able to understand this for future reference. Okay, and these components later on you have to understand it very nicely because you have to make a project on this for your annual exam where you will be representing this entire components in a chart paper. So these are to be understood very nicely. Okay, so children, please do practice all this in your computer class. So this is me, Devdeep sir, ending your class for today. Your homework will be though to go through page number 100, 101 and 102 nicely. Thank you.